What's good, Davies gang? It's your boy Jay Davies, and I'm back with another video. As always, thank you for tuning in, and welcome back to others. Today, guys, I want to play one of the newer tickets, so I picked up 5 cash train tickets from the Michigan Lottery, and we have numbers 36 through 40. So today will be a $50 session. Put that rule of 5 to the test. The rules of this game: match any of your numbers to enter the winning numbers when prize shown below that number. Reveal a choo-choo train, win $100 instantly. Reveal a money bag, win 10 times that prize. You can win up to 20 times on this ticket. The jackpot is $1 million, and the overall odds of winning are 1 in 3.63. So hopefully we can win and win often. As always, thank you guys for spending just a moment of your day. I greatly appreciate you. I hope everybody's doing well. Today, guys, we're using my Chantra coin. Thirsty for that bursty. Enjoy yourself. Don't destroy yourself. Shout out to you, sir. All the scratchers, all the Davies game. Let's get it. Ticket 36. Here we go. Winning numbers 28, first 48, 5, 17, and 44. Give me a symbol and I'm good. Your numbers 25. Wow. 39. We have no 30s. Number 1, Magic in the building. 36 District Court, Scram 30s. Jordan, 51, no 50s. 46, 26. E40, 41. Sevon, shout out to the gambler. 31 Baskin Robbins. Sweet 16, one off. 15. 47, one offer. 5, yes, red to the set. Red to the set. What up, dude? Oh. Uh-oh. No boarding pass today, Cletus. Yes, sir. Let's continue. 43. Deuce, deuce, and 42. So 5, what did we get? 10, we are on the board. Start a win pile. Ticket 37. Here we go. Winning numbers 21, 36 District Court, 51, first 48, 54. Good luck not. Here we go. 52, starting with a one-off. 2, we have no singles. 14, we have no teams. Alrighty. 25. 13, how about a juicy symbol? 41. 44. 6, scram singles. 35, one-off. Sweet 16. 5. 3. 29. 19. How about choo-choo train for instant hundo? Kobe. 8. E40. 37. 17 and 53. So ticket 37. Yep. You can scram with sound. Moving right along. Ticket 38 Magnum. Winning numbers 44. The Dirty 30, 18, 36 District Court, and 2. Your numbers 42. Friday the 13th. Good luck not. Curtis Jackson, a.k.a. 50, 14. Come on, symbols. 2. Yes. Uh-oh. Red. Oh. I found him. What up, though? Again. Yes, sir. All right, sit red right there. Let's continue. 21, get your fat finger out the way. E40. 20, reverse, reverse. 31 Baskin Robbins. It's at 37. 11, shout out to the gambler. 51. 54. 41. Come on, symbol. Uh-oh, another one. 44. Look like I found the good part of the pack. what I'm talking about. Let's continue. Good old buddy 9. The dirty 30. Well, I say, as my Uncle Charlie would say, God rest his soul. Come on, Red. Definitely earning your keep today, sir. Let's continue. Kobe, first 48, and Jordan. So we matched 2, 44, and a dirty 30. Think I know what it is. 10, 10, and 10. I'll take it. Make sure 2, 44, 30. Yep, I'm not tripping. Let's continue. Ticket number 39, silver line. Maybe now they'll give us a doggone symbol. Winning numbers, Colt 45, 8, 54, 42, and 35. Excuse me. Winning numbers, your numbers, tighten up, Jay. 43, 49ers, 39, 44, 21. We have no 20s, 25, 36 District Court, 20, scram 20s, 26. Good grief. 38 Magnum, 15, no teens. Shaq Diesel, 29. Larry Bird, oh my goodness. Sevon, shout out to the gambler. Friday the 13th. 11. Nasty 12. First 48. And Kobe. Nope, ticket 39. You can sit to the side with Clyde. And the final ticket of the session, E40. Here we go. Winning numbers, Kobe, 38 Magnum, 28, Colt 45, and 27. Good luck, knock your numbers. Curtis Jackson, 14, E40 on 40. Number 1, we have no singles. What's that, 52? Nope, no 50s. 42. About a symbol. 37, we got 38. Baby Dolls 4, shout out to you. Jordan, we got Kobe. 41. 49ers 6. Larry Bird 20. 17. How about a money bag? Something. Nasty 12. Dirty 30. 25. 2. And first 48. Nope. Nothing on E40. Well, that brings us to the end of the session. Let's do a quick recap. Try not to get these misconstrued. Your boy spent $50 on the cash train tickets. These were losers, so you know where they can go. However, ticket number 36, we matched number 5 for 10. We did on ticket 38. We got 3 matches, so 10, 20, 30, 40. I spent 50. I got 40 back. Not too bad. Not too bad. This is the end of the session. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that like and subscribe button. Feel free to drop me a comment down below. Feel free to share these videos as well. As always, thank you for your love and support. Please, guys, be 18 or over if you want to gamble. Play responsibly. Only play what you're willing to lose. Today it worked out in our favor. And until next time, as always, please stay safe, be blessed. I love you guys. Peace.